Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods here, and this is a viewer request one. I showed these pouches on my Facebook group, and someone asked me what am I going to do with them. I said I'll make a medic pouch out of it, just a quick first aid, basic first aid pouch out of it. And he said, oh, you know, can you make a video on it? So this is it. So let me just show you what's inside and what can you expect out of one of these medic pouches from Wish.
Right, so this is the pouch. It has a Velcro top here, so you can put your little badges on there. So that's my identification, that's my blood type. On the side, it has a little bit of molly on it, just 2 loops. So what I did was I secured a pair of safety scissors on there, and I also Velcroed it to the molly strap so it doesn't fall out, I won't lose it. So keep that on the outside so I can get to it quick. Again, 2 molly on the back, and then there's your back for your setup. So I was really impressed with this one, the fact that I bought another 3 more of these. It was a really good price. They were only, I think it was £4 for the bag and then £3 for shipping. So that's a really good bargain for this kind of quality bag. Now, on top here, you have a zipper that comes down that way, and a zipper that comes down that way, and a little bit of Velcro here. So you just pull that. This will be stuck to your bag, and then it folds open very nicely. So as you can see, it kind of like spreads out as soon as you open it up, which is really handy. And then you have like elastic bands coming down here. So I just put my small, medium, and large bandages on that, and I just put a D-ring with some tape on it on this side. So that kind of helps it just flop open. Everything's nice and neat. Now, on the inside here, I'll just show you what I'm packing. So I'm behind the camera, so I'm just going to dump it out and just put it on the side here. So gloves, latex gloves, I always put them first because I go use first. Now, I did put a tourniquet in here. Of course, you need to do first aid training, learn how to use them. You know, don't just apply them, you know, regularly with stuff. This needs some training for. So that's just something I keep in there for a really, really bad emergency. On this side here, I have some eye wash, a pair of tweezers, kind of like all the skinny stuff really. Sting relief, and that's it. Now the middle bit, I got some wipes, some plasters, and a what do you call them? Thermometer, I think it is. Yeah, a thermometer on that one. Just a little Life Systems one. Got a compact mirror with a cover on it. I'm trying to do this behind the camera, so that's why I'm a bit clumsy. I got these ones are really good. I got a few of these now for the mouth-to-mouth resuscitation ones, but also for protection. This is something I always have in most of my kits because I constantly burn myself. That's one of the things we do in campfires all the time and stuff. Triangle bandage. These I like because they're quite tough. It's another adhesive dressing, but they're really, really good. I like these. That's it on that one, and that one, nothing in it. So like I said, it's just a basic first aid kit, where it's more of, not so much what's in it, the fact that this pouch is just really, really handy. So I've done that. Zips up nice, and then it gives it back in shape. All you do is just tuck in the Velcro, and boom. So, like I said, it's really, really handy. First aid kit, maybe you want to do a fire kit, you know, or a possibilities pouch, or something like that. But for me, I made it to a first aid kit. When I get the other ones in, who knows what I'll make that into. I'll just have some ideas and just mess about with it. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Am I missing anything from the first aid kit? This is like an everyday, kind of just grab and go to the woods, grab it to something else, that kind of bag. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks guys.